we're going to do round 2 on bird's nest. The round 2 is 2 chains, and then we repeat around the row, single crochet, 2 single crochets into each stitch. Let's start it. We know how to do 2 chains. 1 and 2. Now, if you look around here, you most likely will get lost in how many stitches you have around unless you count and unless you do one more thing. It's called marking your stitches. Marking your stitches is very helpful. I am going to use this bobby pin, and I am going to put this bobby pin in the second chain from the base. 1, this is the first chain, and this is the second chain. I'm gonna stick it right in there. This will be a place where I will be doing a slip stitch at the end of my row, so I don't have to look for it forever. Now, next thing what we do, if you look at the pattern, it has stuff in parentheses. First, I like to not pay attention to parentheses, so I will do this. Single crochet. When we do single crochet, we go under both sides of braid. If you look at the edge, you can see the braid. So we need to go under both sides of the braid. And it will look like this. Under this and this. So our single crochets, pull one out and one through both. That's 1 single crochet. Two single crochets, and then the next stitch we're supposed to put 2 single crochets in the same place. So going under both braids, both sides of the braid, and pulling 1 yarn out and doing a regular single crochet, and now we're going to go back into that same place where we just did our stitch, which is right here. So going again, and that makes it 2 single crochets in the same place. Let's repeat this pattern around, just like it says. Let's go. 1, 1, and 1, 2. One single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets in the same hole. 1 and 2. Okay, and I think this will be our last time doing this. We'll do 1, we'll do 1, and our last one is 1 and 2. Okay, now it tells us to join with a slip stitch on top of chain 2. So we already know where we're going to go. We're going to go exactly where our stitch marker is. We're just going to stick our hook right in there. Because it was a chain, we don't need to go under both sides of the braid. We just go inside it. Because it was a chain, there was no base to it, so to say. So we're just going in, pulling 1 yarn out through all of it, because this is a slip stitch. We are done with row 2, and now I can take out the bobby pin, my stitch marker, and use it for my next row. So that was row 2 on bird nest.